Hola, it's Gabby here for Crafty Gabby, and today I'm going to make a very simple card using my Distress Oxide inks as watercolors. I grab a pink, a yellow, green, blue, and purple. I don't say the colors because you can grab any of those colors. They can be your favorite one or the darker one. In the green one, I really don't remember what I grabbed, but I should grab a darker one. But it looked good. I'm using craft paper, and I just, with a thick brush, I just dipping my brush in water and then in the Distress Oxide ink, and I just doing some swipes, and that's it. Nothing like, ooh, amazing. No, nah, nothing special. Just swipe with a big brush. The brush is going to give you the white of the lines. After I finish doing those stripes, I'm going to let dry. Well, I will let dry with my heat gun, and after that I'm going to make some splashes with black acrylic. Now, while we wait a little bit longer to the splashes to dry, I'm going to stamp what I'm going to put in the card, that is a unicorn. I'm going to color this unicorn with the same Distress ink in the same colors, Distress Oxide, sorry, in the same colors. The only part I didn't color was the body of the unicorn. I just add wing costella to that. I just leave it white and add just glitter. I'm just going to color the tail, the hoof, that is the part where you put the horseshoes on, and I'm going to color the mane and the, I think it's called foretop, that is the hair in the top of the face, and of course the horn. It's called horn in the unicorn, I don't know, but that's only the parts that I will color. In the last part of the mane, I add a little bit of more of blues because it was turning too much green. With the Distress Oxide inks, the good thing is that you can add paint and it will never get muddy. Well, not never, but I think you have to make a really crazy mess to get muddy. Maybe someday I will get there, but for now I've been good and safe with the Distress Oxide inks. After I cut it, I'm going to add the memento marker all around the unicorn, and after that I'm going to make the sentiment. The sentiment is going to be with embossing powder in white, and of course Versamark, or any embossing ink you may have. After I apply heat for the embossing powder to settle, I'm going to glue my card in the card base, and it's going to be white cardstock. And as you see, my panel was smaller than my card base, and that lit the white frame. I also going to glue the unicorn, and I'm going to do it with a wobble, um, a tiny wobble. And this one, to glue it, always try to place it and see where the figure that you're going to put on top balance, because sometimes if you glue it too much to the left or too much to the right, it won't wobble right. If you put it like the image balance and it stay all in the air, it will wobble correctly. After I place the unicorn, I'm going to add some stars. These are like iridescent mini stars. They are like in plastic, but very pretty, very shiny. Um, After I finish gluing the star, my card is done. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope you liked it. Until next card. Bye.